Hey there, dump truckers. Good morning. I am currently at the cheap fuel location, waiting for the slow pumps, if you know what I mean. Fuel here is 70 cents cheaper or 71 cents cheaper per gallon than the truck stop. So this is where I'm filling up unless I'm trucking trailer. Okay, hopefully I can zoom in on it and it's not too blinky for being LED, but there's the price. $3.99 a gallon for diesel. Okay, I got coffee, get the door shut and the truck started, and let's head down to Kent solo and go get some dirty dirt. Lots of dirty dirt out there. Headlights would be good. It is currently 5:35 and I'm supposed to be down there between 6:30 and 6:45. The company that I'm working for, he said after his trucks get loaded, then I can go and get loaded. He said about 6:45, but I'm hoping that I get there at about 6:30 and they're already gone, and I can get loaded then. So I can hopefully get 8 loads in. We will see.
guys, gift giving season is over. Did you get everything that you wanted? Well, if not today's sponsor, Manscaped has the gifts that you'll actually want and you'll want to use. If you don't know about Manscaped, they are the global leader in men's grooming and have saved more than 7 million men worldwide. It's time to give yourself the gift of smooth chestnuts this holiday season. Do you have Santa's beard in your pants? With Manscaped Performance Package 4.0, hairy jingle balls are a thing of the past. 'Tis the season to perform with the Performance Package 4.0, all-in-one grooming kit that will actually have you wanting to rock around the Christmas tree. First to highlight is the Lawnmower 4.0 body trimmer and the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer that feature their proprietary advanced skin-safe technology to protect your delicate presence. The best part, the Manscaped Performance Package 4.0 also includes the Crop Preserver and Crop Reviver, an anti-chafing ball deodorant, moisturizer, and toner. Keep your North Pole feeling and smelling fresh. For a limited time, their kit also comes with 2 free gifts, a pair of Manscaped anti-chafing boxers and the Shed travel bag to keep all of your goodies in one place. Get 20% off plus free international shipping with code DUMPTRUCK at manscaped.com. That's 20% off with free international shipping at manscaped.com and use code DUMPTRUCK and get the gift you'll love, the gift of Manscaped.
Okay, sweet. We are loaded. I didn't take a video this morning because it was pitch black the first 2 rounds, so this is load number 3, and I thought you guys would want to get in on it and actually see what's going on. Like I said earlier, I'm down in Kent, and then we're going to the facility there in Seattle where I was getting loaded with the bags the first time, and we're dumping there, and that's getting loaded on a train and taken away. Now, I don't know why this dirt goes to that facility, gets on the train there, and then goes away. But those bags would get on a truck, go down the street to the other facility, and then get on a train there and go somewhere else. I don't plan this. I just drive the truck. I just show up, okay? So don't ask me all these questions about why the dirt does what it does. I'm just here to drive the truck. That's it. I'm not planning anything. You just circle around in here. This is on the other side. The bags are being loaded on the far side over there. You just circle around and go over to this spot right here, the entrance to the dump site, and you wait for someone to either give you a hand signal that you can come in or call you on the radio and let you know that it's okay. circle back around and go off the wheel wash or the mud wash, whichever one you want to call it. You're basically just spraying mud on your wheels. We're going to stop and wait and make sure that the wheel wash is all the way on before you start going across, so that you can make sure to get mud as far up the cab as possible. Okay. This wheel wash is a lot cleaner than most, though. It's just, wheel washes suck. Everybody knows that. We gotta get out here and stop where there's not a foot of mud and check the gate. Make sure there's no mud built up on it, and head back for another load. So it doesn't look too bad. Obviously, you can tell by the dirt on the gate, or the mud on the gate. It's been getting clogged up back here pretty bad. But that one was pretty good. My license plate's kind of covered up though. When people ask me why I don't wash my truck more often in the winter, this is exactly why. Because I go through those wheel washes and they just spray mud all over the truck. That one was so bad a couple of days ago that it was spraying mud up on top of the cab. They've turned it down now, but it was bad. There's a little bit of mud stuck right there. Get that out of there. Brush that off a little bit. That's better, right? All right, dump truckers. Well, I'm actually done for the day. It is now 3:15 p.m. I was able to get 7 loads. Traffic did start to get kind of sucky here at the end of the day, and I wanted to get 8, but it just didn't work out for me. You guys make sure you check out Manscaped. The link is in the description, and I will see you guys next time.